The anchor behavior is used to anchor an object to the screen, so that if your screen resolution got changed on any other device, the anchored object stay in place. For better explanation, I have created an empty project here. I am adding a scene here first. I'm going to add a sprite. I'm adding another sprite called B. Okay, so now let's drag these two. So here I'm adding an anchor behavior to object A. Where is it? Okay. Now I'm adding an anchor. Okay. So if we hit preview, you can see the difference. What does this do? Basically, anchor behavior is for GUI layers. If you have GUI layers where you may place various button or many things, so you can use this behavior. And feel free to play with this to get different result. And thanks for watching. Hope you guys like this video. Thank you.